I welcome you all today in the Hack.Bangalore. We're going to be having a lot of fun for next 24 hours.
Heartfelt welcome, first of all, to the internal teams, Marcus and team. Welcome here in Bangalore, colleagues from China who've been attending the event. But a huge round of applause also for the students here today who are so excited, waiting for me to press the buzzer, I'm sure.
You have here a great opportunity to get in contact with students from IT background, engineering background, with great ideas.
You can really see some of the teams, they are trying to emulate coding, they really do the coding in these 24 hours, and that's amazing.
Hackathon was very great. In fact, the energy that these students bring on the table, the ideas that they bring on the table, so much relevant to what we are doing inside the company and try to connect with them. It was a great experience overall.
MBRDA has a vision to be a center of excellence for Daimler, for engineering and IT. So IT is one of our integral part of our business, and there we want to see how IT can help to strengthen our engineering business as well.
It's really a heartwarming experience. I mean, all the mentors are so helpful, and their guidance is actually enabling us to develop more features, think more about it, brainstorm, get more ideas.
This is the future, using machine learning to make connected cars, to make the infotainment system better.
Great learning experience for all of us.
Amazing.
It's not only about implementing the idea using the technologies, but it's more important to showcase how valuable is it in the market and how easy for it to be productive in the world. So that's the big takeaway for us from this hackathon.
Awesome. I mean, I've been to quite a few hackathons. None organized this well and in this kind of elaborate setting. It's on par with nothing else I've ever seen before.
Like all over the world, the students are very motivated to bring in their ideas and work on the ideas 24 hours.